That's all for you.
Scratch his eyes out, He's not giving me my way. Phew, what's that?
He was just jerking back.
Where you going, Eno?
He wants to go to the vacuum. He loves the vacuum. He loves the vacuum, and he loves that end table. And he's going to try to get the
He always goes to the end table. You can't have Mommy's charger. No, no. No, no. Go give Daddy kisses. Kisses. He says, I'm going to go get that charger cable right now.
The charger cable? And
There I go.
Vacuum.
Catch me if you can.
Catch me.
See ya. You are.